Hi, kids! Can you guess the farm animal names by its silhouette and sound? Let's find out together. Who could that be? Can you guess the animal? That's right! It's a cow! Cows give us milk, meat, leather, and fertilizer. What animal could this be? Did you guess a sheep? Let's see. That's right, it's a sheep. Sheep give us milk, meat, wool, leather, and fertilizer. What is the name of this farm animal? It makes us sound like this. You got it! It's a goat. Goats give us milk, meat, and leather. Who's that on the farm? Yup, it's a duck. Ducks love to swim in ponds, and they give us eggs, meat, and soft feathers for pillows. What animal makes that sound? Awesome! It's a goose. Duck and goose may seem alike, but goose is generally larger with longer neck than duck. Goose also gives us eggs, meat, and feathers. What animal makes that sound? Can you guess? You're correct! It's a chicken! A male chicken is called a rooster, while a female chicken is called a hen. Chicken gives us eggs, meat, feathers, and fertilizer. That's a loud one. What animal says that? You're amazing! It's a horse! Horses help in transportation. They also give milk, meat, leather, and fertilizer. What animal makes this sound? That's right! It's a donkey! Donkeys help in the farm works, and they also provide milk and fertilizer. What is this round and pink animal? That's right! It's a pig! Pig gives us meat and lard. Wow! You did an awesome job guessing all the farm animals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more fun learning videos with us. See you next time!